Happy holidays, everyone. Another year is winding down here at Service, and whether you're a long-time customer or a past and present employee, we want to thank you for being part of our family. It's been an exciting year full of challenges and achievements, and we just want to take a few minutes and share those with you. Beginning with the most significant one, this past year, Service celebrated their 40th anniversary. And for my parents and our family, it was very special as we gathered with some of our longtime employees, both past and present. And we also got a chance to reflect upon what the company had achieved over the last 40 years, as well as what we plan and hope to achieve in the future.
We used Microsoft Teams to successfully coordinate, write, and review several large proposals over a 7-month period. We also strengthened our strategic partnerships in the areas of eVTOL UAS, alternative energy, signature analysis, and structural composites.
All financials, cash flow, revenue, profit, and backlog continue to look favorable despite the impact from COVID.
As our Service family always does, we took care of some of our own after losing some contracts, and 7 of those individuals were able to be placed in other projects with other operations. And special thanks to HR and those operations that were able to help out. Through all the restrictions and issues this year, our team was still able to meet all the requirements of our customers, especially in the area of travel. And a special shout out to our metrology group that was on the road probably about 80% of the time, to include 3 different countries of Germany, Korea, and Japan.
We successfully completed a multi-year OSD-funded Joint Capability Technology Demonstrator for unmanned logistics systems, acting as the lead system integrator. We also delivered the first half dozen tactical resupply vehicle prototypes to NavAir. We started a new joint venture for a commercial program that we expect to unveil in early 2022. We moved into our new drone research facility at Hartford Airport. We accomplished all these things in the midst of a pandemic.
In closing, and on behalf of all of the leadership of Service, we want to thank each and every one of you and wish you all a safe and happy holiday season and a safe and prosperous new year.
Happy holidays.